Hi, this is Mayor Jim Fiorentini. Welcome to another edition of Minute with the Mayor. Today I'd like to talk to you about my vision to improve the roads, the major roads coming into the city of Haverhill. I call it a vision to improve the gateways to our gateway city. The major roads that come into the city can be improved either if we put your local tax dollars into them, and that money comes from the state. It's called Chapter 90 money. Or if we persuade the state to fund a major roadway improvement project. That's called a TIP, a Transportation Improvement Project. We've been looking around at the gateways coming into the city and applying for state money to fix them up. A few years ago, the Route 125 and Salem Street were fixed up using state money. This past year, going on right now, we're fixing up Main Street, the lower part of Main Street coming into Haverhill. Starting this summer, our project to revitalize Broadway, the Broadway Improvement Project, will get started. And over the past month, we've secured state funding for our latest Gateway to the Gateway Cities project to improve North Avenue. We secured state funding, $13 million of it, in order to repave, restripe North Avenue, put in, where appropriate, sidewalks all the way to the New Hampshire border, and street trees. This will be a major improvement in one of the gateways to our city. When people come down North Avenue from now on, they'll have a safer street, and they'll be able to see a beautiful vista that shows off what a great city we are. Now, we can't do every street in the city simultaneously. This project can only do major gateways, but we're looking at other ways to fix the sidewalks and plant more trees on neighborhood streets. And we have two other ways of doing that. The first is by using local tax dollars to plant trees and fix sidewalks. And the second is a second state program called the Complete Streets Program. I've already talked too long. It's Minute with the Mayor, but I'll be back in a couple of weeks. I'll tell you more about it. But our goal is to fix as many sidewalks as we can. They've been neglected for decades, and make Haverhill a walkable city. This is Mayor Jim Fiorentini. Thanks for listening.